I got this old Toro GTS 5 horsepower snowblower, and buddy, we were doing a roof the other day, and it blow snow. I thought it was a belt, so I checked out the belt. I actually put a newer one on. The belt was fine, but anyway, it turned out to be this little sprocket here. Has whatever worn out, so remove that sprocket. You remove. There's one bolt that goes in there. And one bolt that goes, as you can see in the pan. You can see it in your pan. And the whole side of it comes off like this. And you can take the front ones off if you want. It's a little bit extra work. But we're doing this on the fly now. This comes off. Leave the belt on. I'm taking this off. We're doing this in the snow. It's pretty kind of a Grammy video, but hey, this happens on the spot all the time. The reason why I say leave the belt on is because this piece right here will sit in your wheel. A little flat piece right there. I don't know if you can see that from that's sitting on the belt. That'll land on your wheel. So anyway, just bend this a little bit wide over. It's just metal, it bends back. This ain't no brand new machine. And I'm taking a look at my old one here. I don't know if you can see that. See, there's supposed to be a little notch in there. And if I had to guess, I'd say that's pretty worn out. We'll look at the replacement from the parts. That size, that notch. So, yeah. Bang the snow out of there. See, there's no notch left. I don't know if that's years of abuse or if he just snapped. Anyway, good thing to know though, as my CCR E-Tech with Jess is a better blower, but you know what, this is my part, one of my many parts snow blowers. This is these parts are interchangeable, so yeah. Basically all you do is you slap this back on. Sorry for the lighting, guys. I'm trying to do the best I can in the dark. I'll give you a better video during the day, but this shit happens on the job if you're a snow removal company or whatever. We just happen to be doing a roof and this happened, which really sucked. So just check out your keyway. Make sure it's clear. Yeah, it's clear. So